In today's video, we're diving into the world of online security with 3 of the best VPN proxy apps for Android. If you're looking to protect your privacy, bypass geo-restrictions, or simply enjoy safer browsing, these apps are perfect for you. Let's get started and see what each of them has to offer. SVPN Superfast VPN Proxy. SVPN Superfast VPN Proxy offers a reliable and user-friendly service designed to enhance online privacy and security. This app provides fast connection speeds, allowing users to browse the internet without significant lag. With a straightforward interface, it makes setting up a secure connection easy, even for beginners. SVPN allows users to bypass regional restrictions and access blocked websites, ensuring a seamless browsing experience. Additionally, the app does not require registration, enabling users to connect quickly and enjoy unlimited bandwidth. Turbo VPN Lite VPN Proxy. Turbo VPN Lite VPN Proxy is a popular choice among users looking for a free and effective VPN solution. With a simple tap-to-connect feature, it allows users to securely access the internet without complicated configurations. Turbo VPN provides a stable connection speed and enables users to bypass geo-restrictions effortlessly. The app also features a built-in security protocol that protects user data and privacy while browsing. Turbo VPN Lite also includes ads in the free version, but it offers a premium option for an ad-free experience and additional features. Privify Fast Secure VPN Proxy. Privify Fast Secure VPN Proxy is known for its speed and security, making it an excellent option for users seeking robust online protection. This app encrypts user data, providing an added layer of security while surfing the web or connecting to public Wi-Fi networks. Privify features a simple interface that helps users connect to various servers worldwide with just one click. Additionally, it supports unlimited bandwidth and ensures smooth streaming and browsing. The app prioritizes user privacy by not logging any of the user's activities, making it a trustworthy choice for secure browsing. Thank you for watching our video on the best VPN proxy apps for Android. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more valuable content. See you next time.